All right, this is example 4 of using the elimination method to solve a system of linear equations. So this system is 4x minus 3y equals negative 13, and x minus 3y equals negative 10. We can see that step 1 has already been done for us as the x's line up and the y's line up. So we move to step 2, which is compare the coefficients. X's have coefficients of 4 and an implied 1, which don't match, but the y's both have negative 3. So we're going to focus on the y's because of that matching coefficient. Step 3 is to compare the sign and decide what we're going to do, add or subtract. Because we see the same sign, negative, negative, same tells us to subtract these equations. And remember, for the bottom, we're subtracting the entire equation. So working from left to right, 4x minus 1x is going to leave us with 3x. For the y's, minus 3 minus a minus 3 becomes minus 3 plus 3, which cancels. We're going to see a similar thing over here. We've got minus 13 and then minus a minus 10, which becomes minus 13 plus 10, which is minus 3. Next, we divide out that coefficient. Divide both sides by 3. Those 3's are going to cancel on the left, and that's going to leave us with x equals negative 1. Our next step, we're going to take that equation, our first equation, one of the original two, pull it over here, and then we're going to perform substitution with the variable that we just found an answer for. So I'm going to recopy this equation and leave a placeholder for x, because x is the variable I just found a value for. I'm going to plug that value in, negative 1. Next, we're going to do that multiplication problem. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So negative 4 minus 3y equals minus 13. Now we start solving, first by focusing on the constant. To get rid of that negative 4, I'm going to add 4 to both sides. On the left, those are going to cancel. So I get negative 3y equals, and then negative 13 plus 4, that's a difference of 9, and the bigger number is negative, so our answer is negative 9. Last, we divide out that coefficient, so both sides get divided by negative 3, and that's going to leave us with y on the left, and negative divided by negative is positive, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So let's go ahead and write this in ordered pair form. So our solution is negative 1, comma 3. Always x, comma y. Okay, our last two examples are going to involve multiplication during step 2, so I'd encourage you to log in and watch those. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.